Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to split screen on iPhone. By default, here is no option to split your screen in iPhone, but we can install an app to use split screen in iPhone. First of all, open your App Store and type here split screen. All you have to need just install this app and tap on open. Once it's opened, here you will get two different screen and you can resize this screen from here, and you can open any website or application on this upper part. And I'm gonna opening YouTube on my upper part and Facebook to my lower part. As you can see, at the same time I can use YouTube and Facebook here, and that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.